So today I'm out in the Cascadia forest, I believe. This particular waterfall, I can't really climb it. Too many blackberries and everything else. And it really doesn't show up very well through picture-wise. So I'm going to show you this is a lot more extraordinary than it really looks like. So we'll go ahead and follow it up. Hopefully you'll catch on. Here we go. Just when you think that's pretty much it. I'll step back over here. And of course that's not the end of it. We'll go through some trees here. And that same one is spilling clear up there. And not only that, where's it at? It forks off to another side, dropping off. If I can find it. No, can't see it. Anyways, I tried. To the next one. Have a good one.